Well, here's after the last night blizzard. Well, I did put a shovel there. I'm gonna go try and dig my way to the garage because some idiot left his coveralls and snow boots in there. So that'll be good. That's gotta go out and try and get to the cows, see how they're doing this morning. Yeah, she's a bit deep. I dug my way into the garage here, about crotch deep, all the way from the house. Here's the pickup I'm gonna go supposedly feed cows with later. If only this little kitty cat ran, I'd be all over the place. But yeah, here's pickups. Horses are in the barn, I'm assuming. Yeah, ick. Gonna be a little bit to dig out today. Well, probably someday. Anyways, that's into the garage. And yeah, we're gonna get dressed and go see where the cows are at, if we can see them. Now back out to the shop. Gotta get through here to go feed, which is kind of almost level with the pickup. So we'll just go from there. That's level with that pickup. Luckily the door had some ice below it, so I got snow in here too. But we'll get the old Indy Sport out here and go hit some wicked jumps, I guess, on the way to the cows. Well, I made it out to the cows. They're all hunkered back in the windbreaks here. At least they got some windbreak, but they can't get away from all of it. These guys are in the barn, but they got to go out. I got about 2 days of digging to get into them to just feed today. Yeah. Okay, well ladies, I'll be back shortly. Let's see, watering. I gotta get back across the fence here to my chariot. It's a little deep. Okay. Oh, it's so light out here. I couldn't even see riding that thing to get out here. But yeah, so anyways, might be time. I gotta come through this gate, which is all the way under. Yeah, alright, well, I better get to work. Oh, trying to make it to the shop here. It doesn't look too bad out there, but won't be using this to feed today, I'm guessing. Or go camping. Probably won't go camping today. Maybe tomorrow. So, yeah. The storm's still kind of going on. Horses come out to play, and the two runts come out to play. Anyways, let's get to the shop and get the snowmobile out and see what the cows look like. Well, back on the tractor here, made multiple passes here to get to the cows. Needed the skid steer out here. Now the blizzard picked up again. As you can, it's not white paper on the windows. It's actually a blizzard. So I'm just trying to find my way back out here to finish digging, and then I get some hay into the cows here. So, yeah. There is hay bales in the distance. That windshield wiper I should have replaced is working awesome. Yeah. So anyways, getting back out to the cows. It was a lull in the storm, but it obviously came back.